Check. Bring up this in my ears there. Bring up this in my ears there. Check. Yeah, up this. Good afternoon, people. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Mixup An Blenda same thing with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, blessings and respect. Belly as in the building, a.k.a. Patty Belly, a.k.a. Gotti, a.k.a. Emlay, a.k.a. Michelle. Big up DJ Chris Cross in the building with a Blackberry case and a Blackberry in it. Because we know the people that walk with the case and not in it.
Liquor beanie phone in it.
Just some little tiny phone in it. Them have the Blackberry case with the Blackberry symbol on it, you know. And have some old pop down phone in it. Yeah, some core. Yeah. I think, I don't even, I say, yo, I don't even have to take up my phone because I don't want nobody come thief my thing, yeah. Blackberry, me say. Big up root to the cutie in our, what I call it a German, the blows. That them call Marv. A rose pink that. Root to the cutie in our rose pink and barrow blows. And we understand where I'm going to line. Jeremy and King there. Well, the Mixup family, they are large upon themselves, indeed. Well, the riders of Chris Gas, well, they go and light up your thing. They're going to do that one quick privilege. It's a good time for...
Something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
The money God's large up yourself. Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, that anything really can go so. We go to the country of Norway, up in the Scandinavian countries of Western Europe. And this, can you believe it, today is evidence that we do have a lot to be thankful for here in Jamaica. Because as bad as things are, you know, when you hear what some other people are going through in some other places, you have to say, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Thank God for a look of rock where we have right there, sir. And in a country like Norway, which is lauded as one of the premier first world nations, we get this story. Women workers asked to wear bracelets during their periods. Yep, dramatic pause. Make it sink in. Look on Jeremy. Women workers asked to wear bracelets during their periods. A boss forced staff to wear red bracelets. What a color. When they were... You know, I don't know. You don't know if it's a man or a woman. Why you assume it's a woman? This sound like it's a man. I cannot imagine any woman ever ask woman to do this. Honestly, it must be a man. It must be a man. Yeah. They could have picked a different color, green, yellow, gray. Like you just kind of understate it. You know, bunks are black. You know, it's a red. So yeah, we are red today. A boss forced staff to wear red bracelets when they were having a period to explain frequent toilet breaks. Other employers put in CCTV, told staff to sign a visitor's book or use an electronic key card. A union report on bathroom rules in Norwegian firms revealed. Ombudsman Bjorn Erik Thon said, toilet codes on menstrual cycles are violations of privacy. The union said firms were worried about lost productivity. Again, so I could put in a patwa. Why would I have some firms in a Norway, right? Them when women go on toilet break frequently, them feel like say it affect productivity. In other words, them feel say people are go toilet too often. You understand? So what them say, yeah, you know, them come up with some different ways to pick up people, to see if them are idle all the time in our bathroom. So them come up with CCTV, that is closed circuit television, for watch them. We don't know what that means, if it's watching them in the bathroom, in the toilet, which is, you know, whatever. Then some of them have an next one, we have to sign a visitor's book. So where you visit? I guess like every time you go to the bathroom, you have to sign. Say, may I go to the bathroom and perhaps when you come out, you have to sign out. But just leave the bathroom.
Look at them, not have ticket.
Ain't no ticket.
Or
No, but all them signing it. You can't imagine if you get the job for check it. You can't imagine if you get the job for check it and you say, oh, my cousin, Angela go in at 5 after 8. And Angela come out 8:30, 25 minutes. Well, we can assume Angela did not pee. So she must have done something. Wait, but it's another half hour this done for Angela again. No, sir, she cannot do this. After she not Michelle with diarrhea.
Shut up! Oh my God. I can't believe you went there.
Okay. Then them have a next one and them use electronic key card. You can't imagine. You have to just sign in a key card at the bathroom whenever you're going. Why if the computer go down and you really need for God? Dog, you have a supper. No, them things are crazy. And of course, they want to take the cake.
The red.
Them have to wear red bracelet.
I think that's rubbish.
No, I think that is insulting. I think it is dehumanizing.
Very much so.
I think it is dehumanizing.
I mean, it's bad enough when you walk and do you look alone. People are say, oh, she have a flash and she not reach 50. You know, them little sign and little cramp up thing on, you know?
Right.
But fair wear red. No, sir.
You know, you can't imagine.
Color like that.
No, but, I mean, period for a lot of women is a private thing. You understand? It's a private thing. And understandably so. And with all due respect, you know, I work somewhere and then.
Yeah.
Miss Redbun, I take up all my burger.
No, but at the same time, she got feedback because she got say you used to chirpy around her and she have under.
You see, it going to lead to all kind of problem.
Yeah.
Oh, God, this is awful.
And ironically, you know, that ban will lead to, you know, productivity being less than, you know, the normal. Because you're not going to interact with me with a red band. So the talk where you don't normally talk to me, you're going to kind of avoid me.
No, but that's just the point. You're not supposed to be talking. You're supposed to be working. They would say.
But you know, it involves talking.
What it might lead to, there's all kinds of stuff it might lead to. It might be, we have a term that we use down here, for example, go slow. No, the ladies can rebel in creative ways. They can suffer collective depression and, you know, frustration about it, and that in turn can affect productivity. You know, but I just think it. You have to wonder what kind of mind come up with something like this. You know, and these are supposed to be sensible, bright people running a company. It had to have been approved by the CEO. He said, "This is good. This would increase the bottom line right here." You understand?
Because see, if somebody in there calculate a cycle, they must say, warm up yourself. Hold a red band tomorrow.
No.
And just make the necessary preparations.
The man, they would have a ball. He join me. And the man have that step where I say, yo, you know, so we can do it thing now. We don't even have to use no protection. Because I know you just take off your band, don't
You're up.
Yo, all kind of crosses that I reach to woman them. All kind of things that I reach. And if you just listen and know what going in Norway, them claim say the woman them I use period as excuse to go to the bathroom too often. And it's affecting productivity. So because of that now, the companies over there are coming up with all these ways to monitor women when they're seeing their period. Hey, you know them time they in them company they, you know, crisscross. All of the women them all have 7-day cycle. All of them. Because they won't milk it. You think so? Ragashanti live over the internet. Or probably they're attending online meetings with the lesbians who hate me. You know, to splash me up or whatever. We don't know.
Splash.
But big up the lesbians who love me and thing, because when I met them wear no red band. But again, this is awful, people. This is absolutely disgusting. And I would submit that I cannot imagine any company here even thinking in the smallest way to come up with a measure like this. As bad as things are here, and as much as we have our share of discrimination against women that is systemic here and whatever, I cannot imagine any company here, you know, coming up with that type of a measure that women in the workplace, whenever you know, it's like you know they think about it and it a digest and all kind of other thing a come up in your mind. You can't imagine when you're walking like in the morning and your red banana and so forth.
We're a long sleeve.
No. That the idea is that it must show. Because what this will lead to, you know, is if you don't have a red band, you know, you probably can only go to the bathroom probably like 2-3 times. But
what kind of workplace that like a prison? You have to go bathroom per routine? Or some schedule thing? No, I think it...
No. Again, it just sounds to me that for them to come up with this sweeping change, it means that perhaps the women were using periods as excuse too often. That just can't. I don't agree with it, but me I say something I go on if they come up with them something. Yeah. Nobody now gonna come up with something as absurd and extreme as this if like, they weren't having some kind of problem. But what they came up with is not the answer. Again, you can't have closed circuit TV. I watch woman when time them utilize the bathroom. And this whole thing that you have to sign a visitor's book anytime you have to go in and when you come out. Or you have to use an electronic key card. Or you have to wear a red bracelet. Yep. Absolutely awful, dehumanizing, cruel, disgusting. And this is certainly not, the behavior we want from so-called first world nation. Because I am sure this doesn't even exist in Haiti. I'm just saying. That was...
Something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm going to the car and talk up the things them.
I'm a man say some girl are going like them a hot number and I don't take them step further. Yo, they love the mix up, you know. Yo, you know, say I read the Observer. I wait, I need that to the highest. People. And a man write an article, a letter to the editor. And the man had done RJR, you know, man. The man had done RJR wicked, you know, man. Yeah, where him had done RJR for? He must say, like if I say, gutter radio, dirty radio or something like so. He might listen to the radio and he hear one song and one of the lines of the song was, "Girl, bring your body come."
Lie.
He must think a joke me I make. Yo, Ruth, you never see it. It's in the Observer either today or yesterday. No, yeah, can you believe it? Me said the man write a letter to the Gleaner, either Observer or Gleaner, one of them. Is either Observer, I think of the Gleaner. And the title was something like it I said, dirty radio, gutter radio. And
so that's when I quoted verses.
No man, the title of the thing is like it I said, Ruthie, look for it for me, man. It's either today or yesterday, and it is letter to the editor. And the man I said, you see what me say dirty radio? Me not lie. When me see it, you know, when me assume. Me say, oh, one more never done me again. When me go in at the thing and go check it, the man I say, it's awful dirty radio this because, well, him use basic dirty radio because him did a listen and him hear a line in our song say, "Girl, bring your body come." Now, I can't the girl in my problem with it, because well, if people are getting on, they have a misconception of how girl is used by ghetto people, you know. They assume that the word girl is 100% negative. You hear me say, Jeremy? It's like them don't know, say, we make a talk and I say, Jen, that girl look good, you know. Our next girl would have looked upon her friend and say, girl, you sell off today or you shell down today. You understand? Make you take it on another level. Olive Lewin can't tell her, you ever listen to our folk song, them, Jeremy? Our folk song, them full up with the term girl in it. Well, Landa, bring it, come, let's see them find it for me. Miss Lou use the word girl. Now Miss Lou, them always a big up on whatever. Now them a big up Miss Lou, because them used to done Miss Lou.
Broke them one by one, girl and boy.
Broke them one by one, girl and boy. Broke them two by two, girl and boy. Sambo girl and all them something then people. Gleaner. I went. I to the Gleaner to box cover. Filthy radio. Sounded to me now. About 7:10 p.m. on Saturday, December 4, I had my radio tuned into R094 FM when the words in some music being played caught my attention. The phrase, "Gal, bring your body come," featured heavily in the song. I found this offensive and called the station at 926. And basically, I said, them never really weren't responsive. So he found it offensive. Yo, RGR is not wrong in this instance. And I would sincerely hope nobody get on RGR's case for this. I would sincerely hope the Broadcasting Commission is intelligent enough and understanding enough not to even follow up this foolishness. Right? Bossy people, I listen radio. I hear the sentence, "Girl, bring your body come," and they were offended. But I said, no wonder there's two Jamaica. Hey, it's two different worlds there, you know. Girl, bring your body come. I can't bring your body come, I'm offended, but that him. Them don't like when you call people name either, you know. So it's like when they bring up my name, me. But him name in the paper, it's right there, Trevor Anderson. Trevor, you probably not going to understand them, but Trevor, you're low. I don't know if you're going to hear that one you're right up to. But Trevor, you're low, as we say in the street, you're low. You splash up the things, Trevor. Trevor, you splash up the thing. What? Them people, them. Why him not just go to something else? Girl, bring your body come, and that is filthy radio.
But here must say, "Gal, bring your body come."
You can't imagine it going.
How can
No.
you say that?
Eh?
How better can
I can't hear it.
I wonder how better can you say that in a song? Like in a Jamaican context.
I don't know. Woman, deliver your anatomy to me. I'm not sure. I think if I may, hypothesize here, I think the gentleman is just upset with the whole notion of a man asking a woman for her body.
Bring it.
Yes, like, and see, you have some feminists who would agree. And when you hear them interpret this thing and dissect it, and give all the history behind it, and the woman's body being property. And you see when you go conference, you see all that one line, yeah? When the feminists then back up that one line, yeah? I'll 1 hour discussion on that one line, yeah?
I say.
No, book.
Thoroughly this.
You must think I do. No. Missy book starts with one line, and an entire book right about the one line,
Dissecting.
Because when I'm going to say that the woman's body is property, and then they're going to talk about
property.
No, them going to say, and if you notice the commandeering tone
Sexual superiority
of the agent
and this and that.
in suggesting, it's almost as if the agent is saying, knows for a fact that the body will come. Because he owns that body. Ownership is implied in the statement. And that is a problem that we have always had throughout history. Who owns the woman's body? Now let's examine that first. And I saw them go on, and after a while you're in the class, if you're not careful, you just get caught up in it,
Mad.
Me tell people all the while, me hear some very bright people say, the more you get educated and the more you get entrenched and stupid. I have to be careful with them things. Again, this man I had the paper today, I want to read it. And the cleaner today. I may read it verbatim. To the editor, sir, about 7:10 p.m. on Saturday, December 4, I had my radio tuned in to RGR 94 FM when the words in some music being played caught my attention. The phrase, "Gal, bring your body come," featured heavily in the song, and he put song in a quote, meaning this wasn't a song. I found this offensive and called the station at 926-1100. I inquired of the woman who answered the phone if anyone was supervising what was being broadcast. She said no. And I find that that's not true. That if I want to, we can say about RJR, you know, but in terms of nobody, of course, people are listening to the radio. Take up no more steady. Eh? You understand? So, me, I put this whole letter in a question. A foolishness, this. Foolishness. But anyway, me just assure, eh? Let me hear that tune. Let play that tune for me, Chris Craft. Turn up that tune.
Once again.
Bring your body, come down, listen, bring your body, come. Bring your body, you have to know your body, come. Bring your body, come down, listen, bring your body, come.
O'Neal must study in grave when I read this in a doppelganger and I read them. I sit there and think.
A mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man. Yeah. The topic this week. What you need for do for keep your man? What the things that you need for do for keep your man or for keep your woman? What the things that you need for do for keep your man or for keep your woman? A mix up and blend. I will say if you have any other good mix up and a proper mix up to just give you a link. You see, give you a shout. Pan it. You see. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga. Afternoon, Raga. I just want to tell you about one politician mixed up.
Yeah.
Raga, this last week Friday. Raga, more big up a politician where I give him wife bun. Raga, him carry the bun a woman down our hotel down a Negril.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Raga, I come like somebody in the hotel. No, Raga, call the wife and tell the wife say them husband down here bun him.
Yeah.
Raga, the wife.
A bonar, right.
Yeah. Raga, the wife reached down at the hotel. Raga, by the time the wife reached the husband cut, Raga, the wife comes to the bonnet woman. Raga, a beer things down here. Raga, the woman start run up and down at the hotel. Raga, you want to see the wife and the mate in the hotel.
The wife I run down the bonnet girl in the hotel down at Negril?
Yes, Raga.
When this happened?
Last week Friday.
And yes, of course, you know who the politician is, don't?
Of course.
1 second. Play a music there for me. 1 second.
A friend kill O'Neal and come around them over.
Yo. Yes, Carla.
Yes, Raga.
Carla, well, obviously, you know, say, given, well, you just tell me who the politician is, and you just tell me which hotel, and you just give me the whole details. But you know, say, given who this politician is, you know this politician is a big, well-known politician.
Right.
So we just want you. But you know, so we know about this long time, do you know? We know about this a long time, do you know?
Okay.
And on the first time, the wife rush her either, you know?
Okay.
We hear about it a long time, something not going. Long time, something not going between that big politics. See, everybody in here know about that, about that going. You understand? But we just want. So tell me something, you know. What did really happen when the wife turned up? And just see if you can just give as many details as you can. Yeah.
Raga, when the wife turned up, Raga, it's like somebody tell her the room and everything what she did.
Yeah.
And then now she go there, Raga, and she never knows that she is me. And then now when she go there, now she go pull the door. Raga, when time to say she, Raga, she flirt underneath her and run out. Raga are there things done.
Hold on, they
kind of keep it down, you know.
Hold on. When the Bonner girl, she said the wife, she run underneath her and run out?
Yeah, because like him put her, she block the doorway.
Yeah.
And then now when the Bonner girl, she said she got to run underneath her and run come out of the hotel. And run under the reception.
But hold on, you sure she run under? And because from where I know is the wife kind of smaller than the Bonner lady.
Yes, Raga.
But the Bonner lady run underneath the wife and come on?
Yes, Raga. And when time the wife said the Bonner lady passed her, Raga, you want to see her run down the Bonner lady down there, Raga. Raga be a things down here.
And she run down the... No, but and tell her what happened after she run down the Bonner lady.
What you say, Raga?
Tell me what happened after she run down the Bona lady.
Raga, the Bona woman I run and she I run her down. Raga, almost she can't get her. Raga, the Bona girl broke. You see in the record down here.
No, but where the Bona lady go in a where the Bona girl go in the end? Where she go? What happened? How the thing end up? How it end?
To tell her, Raga, what really happened, you know? Police are come and bear things, you know, to come protect her. You know, she even going on the reception area. The Bona girl.
Yeah.
When going on the reception area. And then after she go on there, so like security come down and them kind of quash down the thing. But them a keep it down because they don't want certain people know what go on, isn't it?
Oh, okay. Well, hotels usually do that, you know, to protect the integrity of them.
Right, so keep down the thing, Raga.
Okay, then what happened? Who go away? When who go away and whatever? Tell me that part.
Raga, some of the people them did that for cut. Like, we run go there because we want to see what go on. But it's like the police them say we have to leave and whatever. Raga, but when we are left, we didn't left them there and the police was there. So we go away after.
So you left both the wife and the Bona woman there?
Right.
But then tell me something, you know. Women up the part where I kind of jostle me right now. If him did it with the Bona woman, and well, you know why him leave, you don't really know why him leave. Because me want
no, Raga, I don't know why make him leave.
Oh, you don't know why make him
them come down in a two different car, you know. He no come down in a Fiat car and she no come down in a Fiat car. Them two different car come down, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah, so him was cut out and left she there. Probably she was on her way to go away, but the wife catch her before she leave.
Okay. But how is it that the wife managed to reach down so far, so fast?
Raga, I don't know, you know, but I'm frightened when time me to the wife come down here. I'm frightened so still.
Yeah, rude, but we can't touch apart because then people will know who. But, so that the wife, okay. There was something where we just, you know, reminded ourselves, but we cannot mention it on radio because if we do, then people will know exactly who it is. But it makes sense. There was something that we just remember where we put the wife in the area.
Oh.
For reach down there. You remember that thing there where it go down? Don't say nothing, you know, but you know that thing there where it go down?
Yeah, man, Raga.
All right, you know where that thing there where it go down and the public thing there, you know?
Yeah.
So the wife probably didn't have the. But me shut up because people gonna start.
Yeah, man, Raga. Just big up yourself.
Big sense out and that. But yo, remember now, why you splash me up and style me, why you tell me the truth so the thing really goes off the truth. Because I want you big in man.
Raga, a real thing me I tell you now. When I call a show and get out the thing, Raga, a big man thing, but the pan.
All right, not even big man thing, big man thing.
Big man thing.
And you say last week Friday this go down.
Yes, Raga.
Papa Jesus, but you know a lot between me and you, you know, a long time that talk that they are road still, you know. We know about it long time and we get the mix up. Yeah, I remember. Don't you hear me always? I say, yo, certain mix up coming here. I'm tell my producer leave it alone. Don't you hear that?
Yes, Raga.
That are one of them. We get that long time. We know say that a go a long time between them two well-known people and so forth and thing. But we tell my producer, leave that alone. We don't trouble that one. But boy, it's a pricker you got boss out down there now. Mad. Anyway, blessings here.
All right, Raga, I got my cousin record hotel 4 seasons. Anyway.
All right, you deserve a one day, you know.
All right, cool.
What a juicy piece of sitting, man. What a juicy piece of sitting. No, sir. Nobody asked me that one because I just cannot tell you. Can't tell you. That one is heavy. Because I tell you straight. All of them go say that one could all get me in a deep waters with that one. That one is heavy. That one is the heaviest.
Lift your burden.
Oh, Lordy. Why? I want to, but I think about it, the person, I say, boy, I'm in a position where I'm sure I know for run him thing, man. You understand? There's so many resources at your disposal, you know. I know for run your thing, yo. But I want to mad. John won't start. Okay, to the front. Yo, the topic is, what you need for do for keep your man or keep your woman? What are the things people need for do for keep them man and keep them woman? Or what are the things you are do right now for keep your man or for keep your woman? To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes. What's up?
Oh, Raga.
Whoa.
Boy, you load up the local sour power boy. I'm a workplace, so make my boss take with the radio so we can't listen to you.
The sour power boy?
Yes, our workplace, we're working at the IT room in the boss take with the radio so we can't listen to you.
What the sour power boy do? What the sour power boy?
True, alright. We start work.
Yeah.
It was a boy we go like a girl with care about people names. But you know, it's our workplace, if you work there, if you make a food, it don't make sense to work there.
Yeah.
So I'm going with them things, but we not really say nothing because we're good like that. Anything we do, the boy call back with him to the boss and the boss are and tell. But true, we not wicked like him, man, you know? We say we not tell him out.
Yeah.
The boy call back with him to the boss and the boss this and that and one bag of chatting. When me come out Monday morning, I'm going to the office, I realize there's something missing. When I look on the top who's by the computer there, I'm going to the spot where the radio there, me see. When me up on the show, him come over the weekend and brainwash the boy, the boss, them to take with the radio. So when I allow him up and tell him, so I read up on my phone, so when I go down, when I don't talk to him, I go down there and put my read up on speaker. I want him tell me come lock it off, I ask me from me and him and go do this, so go buy it.
Hold on. Is it sour power or soul power?
Sour power.
Sour power.
Yes.
Sour power IT boy. We met the boss take with the people every radio.
Yes,
sour power IT boy. What is the opposite of sour power? I can't sweet labor.
No, Raga, I'm not sweet, and I talk. I don't want
Okay,
AC like in the room, because the room I go smell front for you.
Then I went, so when I go so hard for the fight to the fight, I'm not just go and build.
Him tell the boss, him I get rid of one by one, but him can't do it, him I find everything for fight with you. But him my next thing coming, because I'm ready for my phone, and I don't talk to him. I put
no, but what wanna have with him?
Alright, listen, Raga.
What wanna him with him?
Alright, he's just selfish.
Okay.
You know, like say do nothing, so we deal with it. Can't call what we do, because everybody are gonna. We deal with the work. Alright, you come in, we do something for you, we push it out on me by the boss, when you see it. So him come and do the same thing, but we not stand on, because we not stay like that, Raga. We do work. So him gone, I tell the boss, oh, we not do nothing. I will sit around there idle and everything, and I care back on him. So bad for we, so we start to lick out against him now, and we not chat him around 6 months or more, Raga. So that's belly for like him, girl.
So I'm a curry favor with the thing?
Yes, Raga. So that's about him. So everything we do, about him, and him I care about him like him, girl. But him my next thing coming, because we there see him. There see him wicked.
All right. Now say a word.
Oh, one more thing.
Yeah.
Why you big up my boyfriend whenever you see him listen to your program and now I'm listening to him. He's not text me and tell me say I mix up An Blenda time.
Mad.
So me show me can't call him and him tell me what happened.
Mad. You see, the entertainment, baby. Entertainment time, you know. People
yes,
are fine. All right. Blessings and respect.
Thank you,
Yeah.
I love you.
And blessing. Yeah, I love you too, man. And big up yourself for you and your boyfriend. I wish you from strength to strength and everything. Yeah.
All right,
and just go and listen to your headphone and say a word.
I put it on speaker so I want him here.
And big up sour power.
Yes,
okay.
Sour power.
Okay, I'm power sour. Oh.
All right.
All right, man. Blessing. Yo, why people believe, sir, when these things come in, people think, say, I tell you, Michelle here, I'm going to tell Ruth. Listen, when these things come in, I leave the studio, I get a phone, I go someplace private where I alone, I talk to the caller. The caller gives me the information. I update the files accordingly. After which, now Ruth, Jermaine, and Michelle, them know. Don't ask. I'm not going to tell them. Them know. I'm not going to tell them. So them initially at first, then we give it a puppy dog look. Just tell me, I'm not tell about it. And me not tell them. So it just reach a point to them, don't everybody ask right now. And think. Earlier on, there was some bribery. They know that I like pralines and not ice cream. And then other people try to bribe it out of me. Never worked. They lost their ice cream and did not get anything in return. Okay. Here we go to the phone.
Try still fees. They want to whop it up.
Yo, well, you see that thing there in I think Brazil when them attack the gunman, them and all them something they like big time, wicked. There was a cartoon in the Observer, and it a show like Brazil when them attack the gunman, them are done them, and that show Jamaica where the police are in bed with the gunman them. I know the cartoon show like a very femme policeman that hug up a gunman and beat things, you know. And them there like a Devon, them don't put Devon house to it, they put Devon shop. And like them eat ice cream. Cause if they put Devon house, liable issues will come up. But by putting Devon shop, we know how the police and the gunman. One piece of hug up and cut it and beat it and eat ice cream at Devon shop.
Yeah.
You see the cartoon?
No,
I'll be sitting.
Funny.
Anyway, I tell you. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
First time caller, long time listener.
All right.
Yes, I called to share my points on the
Yes.
things you need to do to keep your man.
All right. Yes.
All right, first and foremost, Raga.
Yeah.
Put the wash, cook, and clean part aside because them things they're necessities. Woman need to know for do that, right?
I know that's the first thing the Jamaican woman them always bring. Come tell you, right? Okay, but go on, tell me now.
Yeah, so put that aside.
Uh-huh.
Secondly, Raga,
Yeah.
today with a man, you know him like him, go make a go-go club and things.
Yeah.
So for instance, a year own a house and live in a Raga.
Yeah.
You know, you can change up your bedroom in a like a go-go club scene.
Nice.
And do the things them, you know?
Yeah.
Just like the go-go them and...
Like,
wow,
so you wouldn't be opposed to putting all a pool in the bedroom?
Yes, Raga.
No, I mean, like, you know the problem with having a pool in the bedroom?
No.
Okay. Are you that dance for the pool for your man and them things?
Of course, and do the things them as long as everything all right. When I do the things them, Raga.
You see it.
Secondly, Raga, suppose, you know, for instance, if you live in a tenant house, you have some nosy tenant and nosy neighbor.
Yeah.
You know, if you have a money just book in a hotel and when you can get for scream and turn clockwise and anti-clockwise and, you know,
Mad.
the thing, Raga.
Mad, yeah.
Yeah.
Go out sometime.
Secondly, Raga.
Yeah, Turn.
Sometimes I can play some little game like some little hide and seek thing, you know, Jim Street thing.
Yeah.
You know them look where your husband gone, Joe come in and when Joe don't eat when your husband come in and eat same thing, you just put little more on it.
Wait, no, who would that be Joe though?
Joe?
Yeah.
No, your husband see him in a Raga.
Your husband see him. Oh, but you play the game. So like him come and him and say, yo, him dead there? I say, no. How not play out the little thing? Exactly.
Calm a phone on, you know? The little thing the Raga, yeah.
Yeah, like him all say, I'll come one text and say, yo, your man I got there about later. That time your husband I send it, you know. So your man I got there about later. And you say, no, let me check. And then he just play out the little thing down.
Yes, the Raga say, all right, check the schedule. He might go work such and such.
Yeah.
If we have a meeting, I can say, all right, spend a look at X. You know, then look away the Raga.
They supposed to not do that. When I do them role playing, and then you go say, right to the character, and then enjoy. You don't do all that little thing there. They supposed to do that. They knock the works and thing and whatever. And they say, yo, the husband come, the character come and whatever.
Oh, God, tear down the place and go out, be an excitement. Raga, him take through the back door and then him just go back down and come through the front door like another husband, Raga.
I want him come in, him and still a play it, and I said, hold on, I want to go on there, so you just start saying nothing. Oh, you look so tired, nothing. I want to hear nothing. You know, say that I do something.
You know, it look like a night time. I go come here now, me I feel like a back pain and like a belly pain. You don't know, Raga.
Yeah, I draw a card and him say, well, I did it, I don't even feel like the pain.
Raga.
And thing, and him does, and then I round two again, you know, this time it's from the husband, the same person.
Right, yes, Raga.
That's your word, man.
I don't know.
So some role playing, you're saying, is often very good.
Spice it up like a Raga, because you don't know more while you're in a relationship and it's boring and
yeah.
You know, you have to put little thing to it and make it get alive and you don't know.
Yeah.
You wait for the man to invite you out or bring you out. More or less say, baby, you know, say Friday night, mountain, we are going to Quadar. Something now, you know, TJ got eat little food and you understand me? I say, Raga?
No, you make an interesting point because you said as a woman, you are say sometimes the woman not for wait for the man to bring you out and whatever. The woman themselves can get creative and get interesting with the thing. And come up with some things to make the thing interesting.
The idea, so you know.
All right, that's our word, man. We love them little reasoning there, you know? Yeah.
Well, I big on my Anthropologist listen to you every day. I'm a cousin Nadine over Bridgeview, Portmore.
All right, then bless you. Yeah, man, cool. All right. Okay, give me another caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what's up?
Nothing. How are you doing?
Well, I'm all right. Talk a little louder, yeah?
I'm at work. I can't talk that loud, okay?
Okay, all right then. Cool.
I'm just calling to tell you that I enjoy your show and everything.
All right.
Today's my birthday.
Today's your
And tell Chris Cross I enjoy listening to him.
All righty then. He's hearing you.
Okay. That's all I have to say for me.
Okay.
Don't know how to treat no man.
You don't know how to treat man?
No.
But what you don't have a man?
I don't have no time for man.
Have you ever had a man?
Yeah, I do have one, but I don't live with him. I live by myself.
Oh, so you have a man now?
Mm-hmm.
So, but how you treat the one where you have now?
How me treat him?
Yeah.
I don't know. I would see each other, have dinner. Him gone film business, me gone my business.
Hold on, but what you mean you don't know how you or somebody if you don't know how you treat your man when you're there with me?
Treat him as normal as I treat my one brother.
You love him?
Of course I do. We've been together for 5 years.
So you've been together for 5 years, but what has been keeping you together then?
Love, trust, and honesty.
But what want to do together? What want to just eat, then go out and whatever?
No, we'll have fun together.
We'll have fun together.
Play together, laugh, everything.
There you go. So when you play together, you laugh.
Yeah.
When you say have fun together, what want to do for fun?
Sometimes we like run around the house.
I'm live with.
He live by himself.
You're there with him for 5 years now?
Mm-hmm.
And him live by himself?
Yeah, and I live by myself.
And you live by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
And you now really go female, him go your house?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. You know, there's something else there, so you know what I'm telling.
No, man, nothing else not there. It's just that I don't see myself living with no man soon. I have my degree to think about.
Okay. So you're there with him 5 years now, you know, see yourself and live with no man, right?
No, I'm not see myself and live with no man. I'd rather go and come. Living with them, get used to them and everything like that.
No, there's nothing wrong with that, you know. There's some people who have better relationship by living apart. Once them live together, I know quite a few couples who have happy relationship, but them cannot live together. Them have to live apart. So,
I think my husband is a perfect gentleman.
You think you what?
He's a perfect gentleman.
What you say? You say, I think my, what you mean my?
Yeah, he's mine.
Are you husband?
Yes.
Wait, are you married?
Yeah, I'm 21 and I'm married.
You're 21 and you're married. When are you married?
We're married last year, December the 6th, same time as now.
As today?
Mm-hmm.
So you're married for your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to live apart?
Because I'm going to UCC at the moment.
Uh-huh.
And I work.
So what does that have to do with being married and living together?
I just don't ready to live with him. I don't think I'm going to live with him.
You're not ready to live with him and you don't think you're going to live with him?
Nah.
But you're going to stay married to him?
Mm-hmm.
And that is how you want it?
Yeah.
I saw him want it?
Yeah, so him want it. We both okay with it.
You want it that way or him want it that way? Talk it true.
Well, me want it that way. Whatever, Raga.
You want it that way then?
Yeah.
You born him?
Nah.
Mind you tell me lying?
I don't have any reason to.
All right.
He gives me everything that I want.
Okay. All right, then. Blessings, yeah?
All right, that's that. Yeah, see me on your show. Just to go to the big bottom girl.
Quite a few of those come to my shows.
No, mine is extra.
All right, then we look for the extra big bottom girl.
All right.
All right, then. Blessings. Even if I tell her to walk around in the studio, well, I break. To the phone lines will go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
What's up?
Where go on?
They I give
have
thanks.
a phone bill for pay for me. Boy, I tell her myself bill gone up.
Osh.
Oh, want me to tell her what me do to keep my man?
Yeah.
Raga, number one, we love to talk. We talk a lot. We have a very communication. Communication level is good. So you see, sometimes we as women,
yeah,
we need to listen to a woman and talk about.
Yeah.
And do the things them. Him have some fantasies. You know, sometimes I just talk some things just for talk's sake.
Uh-huh.
Like the other day we were talking about some secretary thing and, you know, we just boom, get an outfit Him come home the evening in my jacket suit and thing, the table well set up with the computer and thing. And good evening, Mr. So-and-so.
Sure.
I have your so-and-so ready, short skirt. May I tell you what, you know, nothing,
one of them sexy short business suit skirt
come
thing.
In, drop your laptop back.
What?
Drop your laptop bag. Nearly dead.
Him nearly dead in a shock.
What's the problem? I mean, we were talking about the secretary thing the other day, and I'm role playing it out now. Jesus Christ. That I won. The next conversation again.
Go see him, did a hackle secretary?
Raga. You know what? Hear my angry secretary.
No, you must have taken a brief from him.
A lot of bastards from him.
Why? Go see you and take out something out of the bottom drawer of the desk.
Of course. I have the low floor bottom drawer, my drawer. Then,
okay. Well, you know, that's
the things I do know, whatever I talk about.
Yeah.
I always try to just surprise them with a fishnet in, sir. A fishnet in my get.
Oh, don't tell me like the fishnet with the high heel. Fishnet stocking with the high heels. I have read that is very, men love that thing.
Raga, I bought a fishnet, okay, with my 9 heels spike, my 9 width. All right? This man a plug in charge and make a look around so I see somebody stand up in the bathroom door in a fishnet. You can imagine him stutter.
Yeah.
Him plug in the charger back way.
Yeah. That's our word, man. So what him do for keep you?
Oh my word. He's my dream. But the basic, we keep it simple.
Yeah.
We don't overpower each other. We don't complicate each other. Just keep the thing. He's my best friend. Sometimes I tell him that I talk to him about if I ever was this man. Yeah. I can talk to him about any and everything.
Right.
I don't know if that's a bad thing, but I tell him that I hope in the long run him don't take it the wrong way, but that's just how comfortable I feel about it.
All right, that's our word, man. Well, respect for them there.
I tell her, I called you some time ago and we did have a little dispute, but that's sort out now.
All right.
But Raga, if I three-way, I say a three-way, I'm gone. If I know the ears, I say I know the ears, I'm gone.
No, what you mean three-way? What you mean
well, you know what I mean with the three-way.
If your man wants a threesome, you'd give him a threesome?
Not if he wants. We have.
You have?
Yeah.
Hold on. Did you do it for him or you do it because you like women too?
No. I did it for him.
So, was it another woman or another man?
A woman, and only another man.
So no, he wanted a threesome and you did it for him. You got another woman and then...
Yeah.
But we want to find the other woman.
Well, it was a friend of mine.
Okay.
And then the other time it was a friend of his.
Okay.
So, we just flex like that.
Okay, so you get a woman one time and him get a woman?
I get one time because I went away. I was in the States for some time, a few weeks. And I came back and that was a surprise. So we just deal with it.
Okay, but what I'm saying is that there's some people that listen right now and I say, but what a dear media do, you go and take up other woman and I do them things. Some people that listen and I say some despicable thing that you got to do now just to please man. No,
it's not just to please man.
Yeah.
It's to satisfy my man. At the end of it, in a Raga, if me not do it, somebody else will do it, don't it?
No, but some people but some people would say that is not a reason for you to go that far. Some people would say that. Yeah.
Now, well, I am that kind of person. Anything I say, me work with it. I mean, I have no problem in doing that. It's exciting for me too, and it's a new experience for me too. So
you like it? And when you did it, you did enjoy it too, don't
you? It was nice for the first
Oh,
time.
okay.
And the second time was even better.
And the second... Weak.
No, it's second time shot.
Wait, you said the second time shot with the woman with him bring.
What?
They tell me something. They in a worry say him still do things with the woman, you know.
Then I have no control over that. I have no control what you do behind my back.
Oh.
I just try not to let what you do behind my back bother me.
You don't worry about that?
No.
And it's interesting that you use that term. You never say, oh, him not do it or this or that. You say you have no control about it.
No. The only person can change him, and I tell him all the while is him. I am not going to pressure you to change you.
But is there an agreement with y'all that each owner won't go bond the other one, otherwise some agreed upon thing with a threesome? Is there an agreement there along those lines?
No, we don't have no sign agreement, Raga. And even if we do...
No, I don't mean sign. I mean like...
No. Because even if you say you're not, it's not a guarantee that he won't. So I'm still not going to take that.
Okay.
He's a very attractive man. And one of the reasons why I did even want to do the tree is because how him proper. So I said to myself one day, I really want to say if I saw him can handle somebody else. So I'm like, all right, let's go and see and improve my rights, improper. You are sexy, but may I tell you, sir, well, a lot of women call your show and say they want this and that with you, want this and that with you. I would only love to be your friend because him shot. Your man shot, right? I know. Yeah. And so you say you did just curious to know if him could have deal with that woman the same way him deal with you? Yeah. Like when him with the sort out? Yep. And that is one of the reasons why you agreed to... That was a curiosity of mine. Okay. It was a curiosity. But the difference that I've noticed is that he's still on the tender side with me. He's more haganier as a woman than I say with the other female than with me. Okay. They rough with them and aggressive with them. Yeah. And with like you, him just want done it, but with me it's a different thing. Okay, so I'm about outlet for another side of him, right? For another side of him with the other woman there, auntie. Right, like him I done it or something. I don't know. Well, then tell me something now. Would you? Some people are saying, okay, then fine, you're a bisexual. Do you see yourself? No, I'm not. You don't see yourself as a bisexual? No, I'm not. It's just an experience. So it's just an experience? No, it's not like me. I go see a girl out there and say, hey, I have to do a one-on-one. No. So, it's just... So wait, just allow me to understand this. So a woman who bring another woman and sleep with her man to please her man and end up asleep with the woman too is not a bisexual because in general she don't want to generally sleep with women. That's what you're saying? That's what I'm saying, yeah. I don't want to sleep with women. It's not a general thing with you. You just... No, it's just for the experience. And the only way you go and do it is in the context of your man being there, so the man have a present. Definitely. So you're not bisexual? No. You want to pan your machete cut two sides? Me not buy nor sell nor trust or credit. You not pan your machete cut two sides? No. You not play for the both sides by the football field? No. Okay. Straight. But you know, so some people are listening and say, no, but for you sleep with woman, you ain't sleep with man, you're bisexual. You know that? No. Well, if me I buy, it's just for the couple hours. Oh, okay. So it's a timed buy. Yeah, a timed buy. So are you so if somebody say, are you a bisexual, they're going to say, not right now. No, not at the moment. Not at the moment. Check me another time when I'm fulfilling Big Daddy's fantasy. You might get a different answer. You think you're easy? I'm working on the other one. You see? I don't care what nobody says. No. That is an interesting thing. You know, I was talking to a woman one time who, in a similar situation, and she says she's not bisexual. She says she's either a lesbian or a heterosexual. No, it's an interesting thing, you know. But so she sleep with a man and man, you know. But she said when she there with a woman, she don't want no man. And she said when she there with a man, she don't want no woman. Right. So what I'm saying is there's a timed thing here. It's perhaps what you could call temporal identity definition. Well, yeah, you know, just for that moment. Yeah, just for that moment. And I was like, but you're sleeping with a man and woman. She said, no. When she there with a man, she not born a man with no other woman or anybody else. And she said, when she there with a woman, she not born a woman with anybody else. So. I mean, I have no woman. It's just with him. It's just for that reason. It's just for that reason. Rather, to be honest, a lot of men, that's a fantasy for them. And a lot of men cannot bring up that topic with their woman because they're not doing it.
They're not doing it.
They're not doing it. He's comfortable. I'm comfortable with
but
him.
Here is where the people ain't going to cuss me now and say me disgusting on the program, whatever. But are you saying then that women should give some consideration to allowing men to fulfill those threesome fantasies in order to...
Yes, they should. With your personal man, they should. And the man, you'll be surprised if the woman does certain more things that the man wants to. I think burning would be less.
Okay.
I think so.
Does the same...
Maybe even a %.
Does the same apply? I'm listening to you, and I hear you, and I noticed thus far we talk about the things again. They on the callers on the focus on the sex area. But when I listen to you and it sounds like you more focus on doing for please him than him more focus on doing for please you.
No, it's vice versa.
It's balanced.
It's balanced. I'm not lie. It's
okay,
balanced.
Okay.
If I want to go on a vacation, I do everything. The washing, the cooking, everything.
Yeah.
And at time him say, babe, you know what, this weekend, because we don't like the North Coast, we love the nature thing, like Portland Parish and them stuff.
Yeah.
We'll go out for the weekend, no phone, no nothing, just me.
Right.
If it's a time, come on, a facial, and say, babe, you know what, just let me take you to the spa, go have a facial, go this. So it's not about just me doing him.
Oh, okay.
It's a double thing. We do each other.
All right, but in terms of fulfilling sort-out fantasy,
sort-out fantasy, you're not going to do that one.
Eh?
His sort-out fantasy, you're not going to do that one.
Well, but you do the one with the woman, though.
Yeah, but his sort-out fantasy is a different sort-out fantasy. There's a weird sort-out fantasy.
Oh, so him have something else where him want the way you not going to do?
It would be complicated, and because it has to do with my child's father. So I'm not going there.
He has a fantasy that him want you to involve your child's father, your former the former partner in that fantasy, right?
Yeah, he wouldn't be involved though, just to look. But no, I'm not going there.
He wants to like watch while.
Yeah, he's from a different race, actually.
Who's from a different race?
My child's father.
Your child's father, okay.
Yes, so maybe he's curious of how he would behave and the things that he would do and all of that.
He want to know what the people from that race they do?
Yes.
Well, naturally, you're not telling your child's father. But
I'm
just curious to know, like, what race it is. Is it white, Indian? Is that different ethnicity or different race?
He's a Hispanic.
He's Spanish. So it's just interesting to know what the Spanish man them do.
Yes, because some people have different things to say. Spanish man love to go on at the table and all that, but he's not like that. No.
Okay. So, and you say you're not going to fulfill that one, the fee?
No.
No, you're not depend on one.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So you have limits then?
I agree with that.
You have limits then?
Yeah, I have limits.
Okay.
But that is a limit.
Who that I laugh so in my background?
My girlfriend.
What am I laughing?
I have no idea. But she wants to told herself, so make she go and talk.
Call her for me.
Come here, my girl. Come here, I need to talk to you. And change your voice. Can I make them know it's me talking at the radio?
Hello, darling.
Good evening.
They know who you laugh so put us. Tell me make you laugh, so how?
Well, I know. Mr. Dada, listen to the radio when they ask her about the race. But knowing the fact about it.
Yeah. It's sweet, you know.
It's sweet, trust me. Because he's always interested in knowing if he can be competitive with him.
Oh, him always want to know if them good with the thing or if him wickeder than him with the thing and them something there.
Yes.
Probably something about him in my mind. I wonder what it was like before him, you know.
I tell her he wants to know why they were together for so long, but she said no. But I spoke to him personally, and he said he just wants to know if that race can stand out as a Jamaican or a black man, so to speak.
Okay, but you realize what is happening doing now in terms of sexuality. manhood and female identity, you know, a big part of it have to do with sexuality, you know, to the point, to the point where I wonder, all the thing did set before with them woman when they would know, with fear farmer man, him want to know, you know.
Exactly.
And I know, said nothing would have sweet him for I'll go see him and mash the works and go on with nothing.
I tell her to do it, but
You tell her to do it?
Yes.
You tell her, say she if you go sleep with her picnic and baby
make
father.
Him watch.
And make her man when she there with no watch and all them something.
Yes.
No, but that no
I would do it. It's not insane, honestly. I would do it because that he wants to. I think that's his way of feeling secure. You know, there's some insecurity, and I think that is his way of feeling secure. So I would have.
So you'd have to do it just before you start. You said, honey, this is for you.
He's not living in JA. He's not a Jamaican, so that I have no reason for go born plane fare for go there. So him born plane fare for come here.
Okay,
so we just Lego that.
You just Lego that. Okay, that one then I go there. So, but
no,
is it something when
he's still possessive over me, so that would kill him. He would never agree with that.
Ali Magwan, you say him couldn't manage her.
No, he wouldn't. My farmer would never agree to that because he's still possessive over me.
Oh, the one where you did it before?
Yeah.
So him wouldn't
make...
No, man, that's something you'd probably do and make him know, say, your present man I watch, you know? I saw you there for go shot it.
He don't get hooked, Roger, and it don't cause problem. And
so you're good like that then?
I am.
Okay, you're really, really good like that.
I am.
So where I say you sort out just shell down and just shot?
It is, Raga. It is. Ever clean, ever fresh. It is.
And is this a very important thing to you?
What?
This whole, like, to be good at sort out?
It is.
Okay.
It is. You should be.
And is it very important in keeping your man then to be good at sort out?
It is. Sort out is a key factor. Okay. Yes.
But what's
it's a very good stress reliever.
No, but what's the most important thing to keeping a man then?
The most important, sex is a momentary thing. That's how I look at it.
Right.
A couple of minutes and it's over with. So that I wouldn't say the sex is a key factor.
Right.
In keeping a man.
Right.
Communication and domestication and all of that have a lot to do with. It's a package.
Okay.
It's a package. Because if you just start out, you can go somewhere and get started out. But when you come home and your bed want spread and your house want clean and you want good food to eat and your clothes want iron. I'd long sleeve and work every day now. And I help me use. I have to be ironing those shirts every freaking week.
Okay. So you say it's sex, communication, and domestication.
And a lot more. It's a package. It's a package. Okay. It's a package. Okay. It comes with a package. When I can't get up 2 o'clock and laugh and talk like when I eat it, everything boils down back to the package.
So you basically don't work. You just kind of just hold it at home. Man.
I work. I do my own thing.
You're an entrepreneur? You have your own business?
Yeah, I do a restaurant. I work.
Okay. All right. Nobody give no more details. We don't have nobody up in your business.
So, yeah. All right, good.
Okay. What parish are you calling from?
If I say it?
No, nobody now gonna know. Just parish.
It's Clarendon.
All right, that's fine. No send out no more anything. All right.
So, right, another topic to Raga.
Right, what's that?
A lot of females think it is fishy to buy a man flowers. You know what I do?
Yeah.
I am passing Devon House and I see guys selling rose. Yeah. I pick up a rose and I say, here, babe, there is nothing wrong with that. I take him out and take me out. Reflects the thing.
You see it, and at least that is fairly different than what the average Jamaican woman out there.
That I am a different Jamaican. Sometimes I come like a white woman blood in me.
Okay.
I am a different being.
No, you're quite liberal in your outlook and on relationships and so forth. You have a degree of freedom that many Jamaican women don't enjoy.
Exactly.
Right. But,
exactly.
No, but I really appreciate your reasoning, and I thank you for being candid and upfront, and you keep it real.
Yes, it's just like you drive, go over here, stop on the road and look at the birds and the bees and act like the birds and the bees. I mean, you have to just be spontaneous.
Spontaneity, okay. Yeah. You can't just structure and program the thing.
So dive on and no, it don't work like that. It
don't work, so.
No.
All right.
It don't work like that.
Yo, you know, respect for your reasoning,
yeah?
Blessings. No say a word, man. Blessings and respect, man. Protection. Why?
The third person was known?
No, we never go into that. No. The second time is the man bring a woman.
Things I didn't friend.
Well, probably I'm friend, but it's the man bring a woman. And I ask her if she concerned about burning, and she said she don't worry about that. She can't control that. But what do you think about that?
I mean, one would argue, why be so liberal, aren't you good at just one thing, in the sense that, alright then, why you feel need to try everything for please? You understand myself for please him? Like, it's not everything. She gave us an example of something that she would not do. Well, that one, most people would do that one. So
what I mean is, there could be other things too, so we cannot really accuse her of everything.
But I mean, I fear things still,
She sounds happy and relaxed though.
One thing though, I must commend her confidence.
Yeah.
She sounds confident in her skin.
I'm very sure. Yeah, very self-assured and I think set certainly, and
I'm like how she balance up the thing with, you give, he gives, and all of that stuff.
Okay. Yeah. But she says she's not a lesbian, nor is she bisexual. But she's obviously not a lesbian. She has a man, but she said she's not bisexual, and we have a whole heap of people who I am one of those people who believe that you can't really say somebody is bisexual if them do a threesome one time or a threesome two time, and generally them don't want to do it again. That person, you can't really say them bisexual if they're not practicing it. You can say they committed a bisexual act, but you think it's accurate to say the person bisexual?
I'd say so.
You say so? Huh?
If it's murder, I mean, if you kill somebody, you committed a murderous act, you're still a murderer, I just think so. I mean, and in fair case, it sounds like, should I do it again? I think she is.
You think she's bisexual? Yeah. But she would only do threesome. She's not, well, does that show you that, Jeremy, what you say, no? No, Jeremy said, no, you can't really look upon her in the same way as, no, big and serious, you have some people, in this case, a woman who will do that with their man, but they will never ever. I guess you could say it's a type of bisexualism then.
Bi-curious. Somebody
no, that's beyond curious. It's done. Curious when you think about it. But curious when you think about it, right? But curious when you think about it. But I guess you could say it's a type of bisexualism. Mm-hmm. Yeah. The point is, just I show you how some interesting things are going on out there. You get up every day and see people are walk around. And you'd be surprised some things that them are juggle with out there. You see me? Fascinating. But I will break. We'll soon forward. Yeah, man, we'll come back up in nice sitting, and the topic continues to be what you need to do to keep your man or to keep your woman. What are the things you are doing to keep your man and to keep your woman? Again, what people need to do to keep them man and keep them woman. I want to keep it real and just rinse out the things. Yeah, I want the man them call too. I want the man them call in too and tell me what not do to keep a woman. You understand? I want man them calling and tell me what one thing man need to do to keep them woman and what not do to keep a woman. Yeah. Here we go to the phone lines. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Baby, why you not answer my calling? Huh? Hello?
Hello?
Why you not picking up my text, Mr. Kingsley? You say you're coming up the weekend and all know me can't see you. Where you gone quiet for?
May I wait for you to talk and say who you are or whatever.
What you say? What you mean? But you're not to call them. You're not to the text them.
No, but if you send text and call, then you shouldn't have no problem identifying yourself.
No, but I need to identify myself because I'm on the phone, don't. I'm on the radio.
Uh-huh. No, but if you call in and you hold me accountable, then you're not supposed to show up.
No, but you see, I've come up this weekend, tickets start out and everything. I'll know me not see you walk on.
Okay.
I never really want to call the show now. I did have to do it, don't.
Yo, be careful with them joke there that can fly out this weekend, so you get me in a
no,
trouble.
But me not, what you mean, be careful with the joke them? Because you tell me, say, I come and me wait and everything and you not come, don't.
Listen to me.
You mean listen to you?
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
You mean let it go, but you know, so you have to come up and see me and everything, and the doctor even send the results and give you the art care and so you can try it and know. And because your treatment clear and everything done.
Become what?
Everything, the treatment, and you get your results and everything clear done, so you can start trying now done.
What you mean, try for a baby?
Of course.
What treatment?
You know, tell me away from a long time, and you know who you talk to.
Okay, so what treatment may you get now?
No, we don't need to go into that.
No, but we want to go in there.
No, Raga, I don't want my purse, and you know me stay already.
Remember, so I not eye, so tell me the treatment.
You know how me stay already.
No, but me don't know.
You know how me stay already. Me I call you, as me said to you, the last option was to call the show.
But me I tell you, say me not have nothing to hide. So me I tell you for free up. You know you're not free up now, people are going to say, yeah, idiot.
What you mean free up?
No, me I tell you, say load up anything, complain with everything now.
No, Raga, because the one to call Elimaka call.
Your crosses. Elimak. Hey, Elimak, you have.
Hi, Raga.
Elimak, you have nationwide people. You want George Davis to run come in, you know. You have nationwide staff, they run come in and I look and I think a real thing and I say, like you know her for two. Be your question.
Raga, we don't go far, but because we call for a car and you have me for what, 30 minutes now? So, I don't want the car done, that's why.
Why you want to
God, no.
You see, when you go say fly up or come up or whatever, is it true? I was abroad this weekend. So, yes, I say, yo.
You know, you fly out every weekend, me know.
Who fly out every weekend? Don't say them things
there. You have your file too, you know.
Don't say them things there. Both fly out every weekend. Don't say them things there. Okay. Elma, come here. England, you know?
Yes, over your cold like no.
You get a proper snow over there, man. To the phone lines will go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yes, Raga, you know what we call?
No.
Defender,
what you say?
Me say, me a laugh from Friday, me a call you. Biggie. Say I go over Plaza, go down the girl.
Yeah.
You come work your killer.
Look at more car kill Biggie when she cross the road.
Me have to call you.
Well, when you say when Biggie across the boulevard, car near the liquor.
She meet the girl up.
Hello? Hold on. Ru, line up this quick. Line up. Hold on. All right, we could see what we can do. It look like, me think to me, just Biggie across the road, Michelle and Karen nearly the car down. But it look like the girl.
But them that right pan fan was say them here say Biggie must get beaten again. So it look like maybe this is a bit of confirmation. God said.
Them did that right pan fan was say Biggie must get beaten again.
Yes, for call her, call them here say Biggie get beaten again. Lord, send the mix up with clarity.
Ay, God. What go on the road? She don't know her own number, so you don't get the number. You call it back and can't get her. Okay, or she ask somebody for her number. No, but I like, well, sometimes, depending on how long you have the number to, me not remember it. Sometimes I don't like. But it just show the age of we in know, because we just look for the name and we shot it. And we dial, and it's like we don't need to remember our number. You understand? Here we go. Yes, Carla. Yeah, give boy, you don't remember your own. Give it the mix up. What go down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When she go over there, she go down the girl.
Yeah.
She meet the girl at Purple Shop. Because a nice girl, you know.
Yeah. Don't tell me the name of any of the shop. Them here, go on. Yeah.
Oh, Palm Boulevard, man.
Yeah, Palm Boulevard. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Defender. But no, hold on. Defender. You see, when you talk to me, don't talk to anybody else because it kill the vibes. You just flow.
Okay, right,
don't be distracted. Go on now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Defender, we are going down the conversation. You're not talking. No? Hello?
Yeah. Hello, I'm hearing you now. Sorry.
Just talk straight.
Yeah, all the girls shout at her.
Yeah.
She couldn't believe. Look at more Kylie car down.
Well, I don't understand what you just say. Explain it.
Because somebody called the girl and alert her.
Alert her, say Biggie, I come.
Yeah.
And then what?
The girl that leave work and come home because she not too, you know, look at work stay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So the girl is just sit here for her and maybe not licking, no go on.
So what did...
the girl, she show her another side her.
Oh, the girl show Biggie another side her?
Yeah.
And then what did happen? What happened?
Me where the girl blaze up on her, you know, back and to the boulevard busy.
Yeah.
Busy, Biggie quack.
Biggie will her corner?
Yeah.
So why you say car almost lick her down? What that mean? What did that
mean? If you go back in the road, that one thing that in a boulevard road, a car.
Okay, so when the girl start load up Biggie and attack up the things, and when I step to Biggie, Biggie start back out in the boulevard.
Yeah.
Biggie did have an iron button?
I have iron button.
Okay.
You know, understand?
So how it done? Not go on then. Biggie just back off.
Not go on. But me I tell her to how she behaving on the radio. Me swear so that girl they are mad me, you know.
Okay.
You understand?
And then when Biggie go over there, the girl...
The girl will beat up Biggie.
Yeah.
At the boyfriend daughter.
Right.
I remember she take the girl man.
Who for man she take?
Remember when Defender call?
Yeah.
And tell us that she take the friend man to the friend they are foreign.
But you a Defender?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Yeah, remember that call, yeah.
Well, I see a man now, you know, the girl have a baby for the man, you know.
Okay, right.
The one, yeah. You understand what I say?
So the girl that Biggie did a rush, she have a baby for the man?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
You understand, but the girl different from them. Nice girl, you know, work and up there, you know?
Right.
Yeah, but to the guy pretty, the girl fall for him and... You know them way there?
Okay, so is that pretty man Biggie there with?
He ain't good looking till when she get him now, him pop down now.
What you say, him good looking till when Biggie did get him in pop?
I don't know what she do to the girl, man.
What?
His shirt, where did white get bad color?
Him shirt, bad color now. So,
yeah, because she now wash them in the people in machine.
Okay. So wait, are you saying that the man did good looking and then when Biggie get him pop down? Okay. Him pop down.
Because you now get the food and the good juice and the something them.
Okay. And the something them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you and Biggie now, you and Biggie still arguing on the one another?
No, but me hear it on the show, me go for the joke to see.
Okay.
Because me I hear about the good up machine and the big house and something.
Uh-huh.
All things but to bucket down.
Well, I'm in here, sir.
It's a house big for you.
Yeah? Your phone a break up, yeah?
You hear me now?
Yeah, you said the house big for you, but what?
It's dirty.
The house dirty?
Yeah.
Okay. But if you're not going inside, how you going to know if the house dirty?
That you not ask me. That you ask me.
May I ask you now?
Yes, I do ear.
You do ear?
I'm there bread that ear and want to look water and I couldn't drink it.
You that bread that ear over big yard and want to look water and couldn't drink it. Why you couldn't drink the water?
Yeah, I couldn't drink it.
Why?
Because the place not clean.
Oh, okay. So you just decide to not drink or eat nothing, no money?
No, sir.
You sure? Or you just say that because you're big in a drama?
No, I don't have nothing, but she was just discussing on the phone Friday.
Okay.
She was discussing, and you know it too, because you fight with a 14-year-old at your age. You understand? Everything you're stepping on.
Well, you need it dip on it and keep on and tell her no. But
yeah,
but interestingly, you know. Hold on. Interestingly, you know, quite a few women made another point where, based on when me know I go on out the road, me not lie, me have to admit it. Them for them argument is that you have some set a young girl out there in a school from somewhere in the 13 and go up to, from 13 go up. Them prime bad step to any woman.
Knock you out.
And them will knock you out. And them will take woman man and talk up their things and go at them. When me say them interestingly, you know, they look a young boy them are going with the things them out there. Them not really when them a fight and I go on a foolishness, them a fight over gully guys and who this who and whatever. But you have some young girl out there, man. Me I tell her some school girl and that's something me I guess and spell. I something me know them prime. And them I said, these women are saying, when these girls step to them, I'm bright up in the house, I want to war them and I'll tell them what them do with them, man. And them I say, Raga, we have to relate to them like the person them a portray themselves to be. If them a go on like them a big woman or whatever, and you sit down there and say, it's a me, you know. I believe say you're not supposed to argue with them people, you know. Ignore them, not care what them tell you, you know. But me just represent what them I say. Because these women I say, Raga, when you a step with your man and them walk up in your face and you come in your house and you see them in your man car and them a tell you say them now come out and them ready for defend it and tell you what them a do with your man in a which style and which position and tell you which part of you rotten out and not good and which part of you stretch way. Them a say no, them a say them a say them what you say them flexible?
Them flexible, them young.
Okay. but we shouldn't be talking about 13, 14, and 15-year-old these. That's the point I'm making. So you should not argue with them. But the other point I'm making is there are several women out there saying, Raga, it's just not that easy if you know how far these young girls go. Some of them are telling me about what go on palm bus and all them stuff. That crazy thing.
But Raga, she and I never did a war over man, you know. Are the girl father.
I know that.
To be her stepmother.
No, I know that. I'm just saying that.
And the behavior when she carry on Friday for your stepmother, that's not pretty either.
Right.
You understand?
Right. That's true.
So if you're there, the man, you have to respect him, pin them, and him pin them to respect yours. No respect, no, that doesn't make sense.
Right.
You understand?
Anyway, defend our blessings and respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right, then you take care now. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
They are family.
Raga.
You're a radio. Them want listen. We're not supposed to hear in the radio when we're talking. Yeah.
Hello.
We're hearing something on in the background. We're not supposed to hear it.
Okay, Raga. Yeah, man. I want to tell us a big link up to your show. You see it?
Yeah.
Boy, I tell you, the issue is sell off.
All right, Papa.
Yo, I tell you, the other day, I talked to two girls and I said, they don't listen to your show, but, and I know like you listen to your show, but I see them tell them, they say they like your body. So I don't know how that go.
Oh, yeah, no, they must have seen my body through the radio.
So, boy, I tell you, boy, in the evening, the most work I do in a man ground, I say, when you come out on the radio, trust me about that.
You know, some year several people say that, and I find that interesting. Them
the one you don't do in the morning part, couldn't work, Raga. Tell me, I tell you, I couldn't work. I never love it at the end if I didn't forget over. But in the evening time, when I got them ground on my yard, now I just turn on the radio and just go and listen. You see?
Oh, see? But I worry about people say them get more accomplished when they listen to the show. I find that interesting, you know?
Boy, I tell you, you're the boss, boy. I can't but I listen to the idiot station. I don't got nothing to tell him, so sad me up. Think you nothing uplifting. Now you got the thing, I know the thing in the street, is it?
All right, Papa. Now say a word, man. Respect for the link here.
The first time I call it, but me meet you already still, Raga.
All right, Papa.
All right, then, blessed.
Protection and straight, here?
Yes, my boss. Don't watch it.
Manners.
Raga, if you go up, give next money, I'm going to give shopkeeper money. She go tell me, say, it come up to 1,800.
Yeah.
So I say, for me have £2 rice. Me have £2 rice. How much? Tim Macron, so you come up to that. So, yeah, woman to me, Raga. Yes, he come up to that. So, me tell you, woman, so I say, look, you know, me pay money, and I carry bill, go show it, woman. When me carry bill, go show it, woman. Try that husband now and tell me, say, he wants to buy my body for me for $1,000. Me tell the man, say, Raga, but that man say, me don't sell my body. And he man the person, so me say, look here, if you want my body, give me 50,000, I can give man 25. I mean, take 25.
Well. If you want to buy your body for $1,000, you tell him, say, you not sell your body, but if you are going to do it, you have to get a 50,000. And then what him say?
He go tell me, say, basket can't go up, he can't put in basket and can't take it down.
So how much him offer you?
Tell me half for me $1,000.
No, but what you say about the 25 now?
No, me tell him, say, if you give me 50,000, I think I give man 25, I take 25. So me have to go replace back his panty. And I have to go use cold one time it done because he sounds it.
Okay.
So I got, so I tell him, man, so. If I want to top work, I cost me.
I cost you?
Yeah, woman, no, woman, chop me like that. What I go pay my shop bill. You man chop me in my shop, you man have me a family to Raga.
And choke you, why? Why should choke you?
So me all the while, he man up in shop, and when he man up in shop to catch young girls.
Okay, so she thinks that you take her, man.
You should get nothing right for one thing, me no give bone.
Oh, you not give bone?
Me no give bone. But me man, if he have it, me get it. I have a little baby, baby have 5 months. And baby have 2 months, the man I got to give me $1,000.
Okay, so when you, after the baby 2 months, he might tell you which part he want to put him on for you.
Hey, so I come and thing off my body.
No, not tell me no more. We have to go to news to hear.
Okay.
All right, and you be careful. And yes, me glad, me rate with what you say. When your man have it, you get it. And when him not have it, you do without it. And
yes, when time me have it, me get it. When me not have it, me do without.
All right, then.
And this little funds, man, they can't half of the money. So try me up to it.
I want come on get $1,000 sort out for you when you're 2 months, when your baby just 2 months. All right, you take care here.
All right, Jaga.
Yeah, you take care. Good. To the phone lines, we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
Nothing much. Raga, may I tell you the truth?
Uh-huh.
I have a friend who lives over Portmore. I don't really mix up, you know.
Yeah.
I have a friend who lives over Portmore. Friend from Raga primary school.
Yeah.
And every time I call my friend, can't talk to him, I listen to Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, it used to bone me.
Uh-huh.
That's when you have a big yard, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, oh, you mean you can't talk to me? I said, I shall hang up phone for me. I'm going to done her. And I lie, I used to done you too. Because we never know nothing about Raga.
Right.
And for you come a nationwide. Because I'm a nationwide person.
Yeah.
And I listen to you. I say, Raga, sometime in the office, I laugh. I say, Jesus Christ, what if the boss hear me? I crack up in the place.
Okay.
You know, I say you're full of vibes, Raga.
That's how I think, set, man. We do a thing, you know. They have to entertain the people and make them laugh and jams.
Sometimes I feel down. And you come on and you just crack out and look and laugh. And I say, I have to laugh too.
No, say a word.
But, Raga.
Yeah.
Remember, see, sometimes we as women, we leave loopholes for other women who are in a relationship, you know. And then we blame other people. If we sit down and look at ourselves, we blame ourselves. You understand me?
Yeah.
All right, you there work now, right? And then you're a friend. You're a husband or my spouse, whatever it may be. And you have a bad day at work and you come home and you just look stressed out. Raga, what happened to you? Nothing. So me give you answer me so. And what, you know, try to find out what happened and, you know, rub your tongue and play in your ballad and, you know, rub your foot and everything. Because you rough, you... Nothing. You just... So me give you answer me so. And then, you know, this when you go home and you deal with the man or your woman like that, you give them the opportunity to go to the road. Okay. You must make your man or your woman feel like you want to go home. When you're there, you just want to go home because your bungalow try their home.
So based on how you relate, you have to consciously relate to your man or your woman, whoever you're there with, in a ways. That's when them out the road, them look forward to going home. Okay.
Raga, I'm not lying. I was a matey.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Matey, the band side and thing. You see, wife, I'm not business with the wife. Because if the wife not interfere with me, I'm not interfere with the wife.
Okay.
She name, and me name.
Right.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, but we have to know to balance the thing. And woman, to stop, talk about if the man carry me out, or birthday come, you not buy nothing. Christmas come, you not buy nothing. You just sit down, bop, I look so. No, I said for go.
And I said that way there?
No, man.
All right.
You do that Friday, you there work and thing. You just say, no, man. Babes, what going? Nothing. There, no. We are the later. No, do nothing. Come here, go up on the road, no, man. You see my traffic?
Yeah, man. Some spontaneity and those.
Man, for call you, you spend your dirty money too. You understand?
Okay, so woman for spend their money too.
Of course, Raga, a two-way street.
And woman have to sit down and wait for the man all the while for do something or whatever. Okay.
Me not believe in that.
Okay.
Straight, and if you talk about man. Woman can't man. No woman can't man. So if you stop talk about, me not man no man, and me not buy no boy. If you carry a man go to our all-inclusive, what a man you man him?
Okay.
You understand?
You spend money on somebody who you care about.
You understand?
Yeah.
Raga, the simple something.
Mm-hmm.
You see? People need to look upon.
All right. Now say a word, man. Respect for them. Because like you said, nobody leave no loophole for anybody come full up that. All right? Our blessings here.
Yeah, man. Cool.
All right. I'm real tired, the sharpery. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Yes, hello.
Raga. Clarification first, I never gone a boulevard. Me and a girl no meet up on a purple shop. Because as me help before them send police call me here, Raga.
Police come here. Yes, it is.
Yeah, them start charging for impersonate police 101 charge. Raga, I'm not the famous. Raga, it was the TV man that says Sam Phillips matter. So I'm not too much charge the man carry come.
You say it was a time man at Phelps and Philip matter, so the charge.
Raga, I am 100 charge. Yeah, Raga. So all them going to say, oh, me, get a purple shop. Raga, I'm not afraid of girl. Raga, the girl not stop, come phone, say, us have a gunman out of the corner, go come shoot. Raga, I'm stand up on the corner, come not afraid of gunman and me a bulletproof. Raga, after the police, them come and charge, your mother come over here after the police. Biggie.
Just tell the thing, you don't have to keep on saying Raga. All right? Just tell me what you tell me, yeah.
Listen, me and say.
Yeah.
Mother come over here, the girl, mother and I beg and I beg and I say, I got beat up.
Talking on the phone.
Me a talking on the phone, the girl, mother come and say, I beat, from who not beat, I'm going to fight the girl and real. Listen to the story.
Yeah.
Same time the police come. When the police are read all the charges or whatever, the woman go. Anyway, after the police matter done, in the night, my mother and I was slung our gate. The girl had passed, step out of the corner, rather to load up her mouth and so I was sure go do. And them don't carry the police matter. Me now go touch her first. I'm going to stand up and shoot the rather. I'm going to say, big everybody have a knife. I actually don't have nothing. Lit me. Rather, she don't do nothing. She don't look girl. They said, no look girl. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Rather, I'm going to say, underprivileged girl. So I'm going to talk about girl at work. Rather, the defender did for reveal herself. Rather, she can't mix up my ear. One woman have braid ear over my ear. Rather, for 20 odd years. So she can't mix up that woman there. So tell the defender to come with something, because that woman will live on my head, so she can't mix up nobody. And I say, them will call, listen, them will call, them will carry them bag of story, them don't know what, you know, I sense, because when me I come, I tell them, I talk my story, talk it straight. When my cousin live in my face, I get the beat up, I call, I say, yeah, my cousin beat up, I get too much stitch.
Right.
So
That's true. That is true.
My mother can't beat me. I told them to stop to serve them. Come and stop ping pong ball. None of them can beat me. And then me to tell the one of our court says she want to come man, rather she needs to go on her head and do this thing, rather because it's not everybody know the tricks in the matches back, so she needs to find the matches back and learn the truth. Me know over flick it like a dollar can while them only roll it like a 10 cent and nobody know want a 10 cent a dollar everybody want.
What you say, Biggie? You know if you flip it like a dollar kind and them ungla roll it like a 10 cent.
And nobody wants 10 cent because they're going to swim out if you get 10 cent right on the counter.
So what you say? She not going to get back her man because she don't know if you do head tap and all them things.
No, she not going to get back her man, Raga. Okay. Raga, anybody when me get Raga, I come like the request when I mean Mr. Elliot thing, but boy, ever request me.
Any boy, any man you take them out?
Any boy I get ever request me, but I come like the request when Mr. Elliot
Hold on, Biggie. Any man you dash it out, get always a drawback for you.
Always.
All of them, Biggie.
All of them. If we get 100 man think about me. If we get 1,000 man, I go think about me.
No, but Biggie, in the face, you lie, you tell right there, so.
Me, I tell, Raga, come on, Raga, everything where you come and do and ask anybody when me and them and a friend, and me and them never have nothing yet. ask them.
Biggie.
Come and pull on my window, think that you can't even see me only to the shadow to the store out the window. Ask anybody.
Hold on there. But Biggie, you know there with one or two man already where you dash it out, give them and them not call you back or nothing and you don't solve it.
You never take a man and not call me back. Raga, I'm going to say to Elizabeth, go take a man, the man request me. Raga, if I take a man at Kingston, the man request me. Anyway, Raga, me, the boy, I don't see. Raga, the flip of a girl. Raga, the old women will get the Agas if I see me say, my big it there.
No, what?
All the way and get the orgasm if him say my big it there.
Oh, I that him tell the girl.
Raga, me I tell you, Raga when girl good. Raga me tell him take your goodness. Raga me say greatness. That's why I be a Guinness me drink. I want to reach to greatness. I good need it. I want to reach to greatness.
What? Guinness get a plug a while ago, man. When you say I be a Guinness, you get because you want to reach to greatness and Guinness is about greatness.
I'm good now. So I want to reach to greatness.
So Biggie, when you say, Biggie, you say when girl good. If you're good, you're good.
I don't know them blame me for all my for eat my mother can me not myself. My other mother came from me when she push me down Jubilee. Them say master on the ears of twin girls. Then never say where's the mother.
Okay.
I know them go say watch the man. Rather me don't watch the man. And the man watch him clothes. Rather and I yesterday one suitcase of clothes come for the man. And one suitcase of clothes come for my house. Everybody, my friends, just collect it and carry it down. It come from Miami. Rather than be a brand, so when them, if them see me in a bad color, them never see me in a bad color.
Well on, Biggie, you get a suit of clothes. You get a suit of clothes.
One suitcase of clothes, Rather, one suitcase.
What kind of clothes tonight?
Rather, socks in there, pants in there, all the things in there. Rather, all the things for the buy them will come out for the war. Rather, Christmas, though, you know. But look like pepper light and fandal, the scar that people turn at Christmas.
Then you don't know and I brand them when I suitcase.
Rather, in the brand, in a nice something, Rather, I have Gap, I have Guess, I have Nike sneakers, Rather. Nike sneakers in there.
Yeah.
What else coming there?
And a Gucci.
No, Rather, I'm not going to tell you last time I get Gucci. I have two religion jeans in there, Rather.
Well, all right. That's not bad. Any Gucci?
What?
Any Gucci?
Rather, I'm not wear imitation. I'm not wear Gucci. I'm not wear Gucci. Not even Gucci and our friend. I'm not wear.
Hold on. All right, may I try this again? Me say Gucci.
Gucci, no, Rather, I'm not Gucci. Rather, we have coats coming there. Rather, we have Christian Dior coming at suitcase. We only got different things. Rather, I'm have only accessory coming night. Rather.
You have Christian Audition?
Rather, never Christian Dior Colon coming and then a Karen Colon. Rather, only got things coming. Rather, them places are big suitcase.
So who send that for you now, Biggie?
Rather, when I'm in-law, rather, I'm sure the people, the man who I'm because all them family are send up the thing.
Okay, I'm family, them send them for you.
Yes, Rather, plus the shipment that my brother sent from friend. Rather, I'm telling you Christmas and not 2 years.
Okay, so what heap of things you get because you're good like that, don't you?
Rather, man, so the ears, so my dad, man, I'm get a big food because I'm going to show a big order when them hear this.
Okay, when the things them are coming.
Yes.
So when you go wear them, there's something else.
Rather, starting this week,
Biggie. Don't say Raga. So you say starting this week, don't call me name, just tell me where you tell.
Starting this week, every minute I'm going to change. I'm going to change my image. I'm going to change my reflection.
Well on, people, I want to not look for Biggie for the rest of the month till Christmas and New Year. Look if she repeat.
What do you mean look if me repeat to ownership? Rather, girl wanna repeat enough for them things. Break up your father gun. As I'm singing, I know.
Repeat show ownership. Girl wanna repeat. I borrow them, did borrow it and get a one way, no?
I said them say and I not new. Repeat mean it's mine.
No, okay. If I laugh, I wet up my underwear in there today. Maybe I'm telling about that. Okay. But Biggie,
listen, man, the last time never appeal to the public. You see, them are call this one, them not the truth, and them not know the story.
Yeah.
They don't call. I know why them call this one and make up be a lie like people will stop it because they will start be a fib come on the show.
But
be a fibber and I be a storyteller and nobody know what to hear story. They want to hear a real thing like the Murray. I don't watch Jerry Springer Rubber because that is fake. I only watch Murray Povich.
Murray who?
Maury Povish. That is name rather. Just because it's make-believe. What a real thing. And people now listen to your show for foolishness and things that don't got so.
Okay, you're stressing the vish, but it's really the po that's supposed to be stressed. So rather than Maury Povish, it's Maury Povish.
Anything you want to say. Listen, Raga, I know fairy tale I just make believe that people think and dream, and the show is not fairy tale. The show is a real thing.
See,
so people don't stop call and start with them foolishness.
Okay, because I be like them, I tell.
Yeah, Raga, I be like them about talk about that. So Raga, everybody eat at 111 days 7 because food always today. So them about talk. Raga, you come to say they must know the yard. Don't you? I can't with them and them story. And instead of like
Biggie, I was.
And then you rather the next one to Kaya, they go to National for go over court and all of this story station. I know them and reach a court. I would never go send all of them police. What I'm saying, but them baga story.
But Biggie, I wouldn't be an authority to speak for what inside the house. You remember, I was only at the gate. Hold on. I was only at the gate. Remember.
The woman said from outside, that is inside. Come here, like to say outside, want a bucket of paint, Raga. Raga paint up $500 thing. I'll not just to paint that show.
No, when I went there, it was clean on the outside. It was clean on the outside.
To say that, and furthermore, Raga, house after dirty feet clean. Me know the help of them would have no record if everybody have clean house. Where would them stand?
Okay. All right, that's our word, Biggie.
Raga, tell them, say me, say that, not kill nobody, only when it drop on them.
Oh. Dirt not kill nobody, only when the dirt drop on them. Okay, then.
Raga, big up Conrad and Jennifer Goodaz straight.
That's Jennifer Goodaz?
Yeah.
And Conrad, who blow the saxophone?
Right.
So Conrad ever blow your saxophone?
No, Raga, come out of my business later. Fast, and I'm going to cancel later.
Okay, all right, then, Biggie, my friend, all right. Yo, there is none like Biggie. None like Biggie. Biggie is just in our own mold. None like Biggie. There is none like Biggie. Argument done right this. Not even our twin sister. Our twin is a boy or girl.
Ratty, I guess is a girl.
Ratty a Biggie twin. No, I know Ratty, but Ratty are the Biggie twin. Okay. I never really, that twin, I never know if I Ratty, Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Ragashanti.
Good afternoon to you too.
Hi. I've been waiting a long time to talk to you.
Okay, please go ahead and speak to me.
Hi. I'm just calling because I just want certain people, family members and friends in Jamaica that are getting involved in my love life. I've been with this man for 16 years. And especially my sister, who claimed that the man that I'm coming to Jamaica with is going to drag me down. I want her to know that that man has never treated me bad, never treat me no way, treat me with respect. And even if I come and catch him on a woman, I will never leave him.
Even if you can't catch him on a woman, you're not leave him?
Nah, left him.
Because he never treat you bad. He never treat you bad.
Never.
Then tell me something I know. What is most something about him why nobody not like him? What about him them not like him? Eh?
What about him them not like?
Yeah, why them don't like?
Used to get.
Eh?
They don't get what he's getting what they used to get.
Oh, you used to send the things them go give them an island sitting there.
Right.
So you
feel that because of him they're not getting what they used to get.
Okay, so you are take care of him.
But the thing is that sometimes you give and you can't give no more because you get nothing back in return.
Okay. I know that for a fact. Say, I have a whole heap of Jamaican just believe so once they are foreign, you are obligated for send and just give them. And them don't know how foreign tough, how foreign hard, and how you have to work hard and thing. And you must just send and give them. So basically, you put a stop to it, don't it?
Yes.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay.
Enough is enough.
So how long now you there with that brother?
Let me see.
I got married in 97 and I started seeing him in April 98.
The money I would have did it for you. How him get for go afar?
No, he's still in Jamaica.
Oh, he's still in Jamaica?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and so you left the husband now?
Yes.
Okay, and and how long now you there with the one with the Jamaica now again, sorry? How long now?
Well, from 98, so...
From 98, so a good 12 years, you know?
Right.
Okay, and you say, and so you come back down for Christmas, and...
I've been down there 4 times this year. I think that's killing them also.
And that'll kill them?
That's mad.
So what am I walk and I say? What am I do? What am I do and I fight against you and the money, you know? What am I?
Every time I come back, it's like, oh, every time you come, people laughing at you and talking behind your back. But I don't care what people are saying. Because I'm not living my life for people.
Because this man was dear for you and you're not turn your back on him.
Nah, turn my back on him.
What him do? What kind of work him do?
What kind of work him do? He's an artist.
Him is an artist?
Right.
Like, what him do?
The man can take care of himself.
Him can?
But I don't need to worry about me taking care of him.
Okay.
Because he can take care of himself.
Okay, all right. Let me see what. So you gonna marry him now?
Yes, as soon as I get the chance.
As soon as you get, you sort out some things first.
Exactly.
And then you're going to marry him and bring him up.
Yes.
Okay, so then for those law, basically,
they must just slow me. They must just slow me because they care the amount of news them bring. It ain't going to change nothing.
Not change nothing. So what you really love about this man, you know? What the main thing you love about him?
Him can start out good.
That's our first thing.
Respect me.
Hold on.
Treat me with honor.
Hold on.
Never diss me yet. And then the girl me come to Jamaica and him there with the girl, I'm have to fall back in the move hole when me come.
Bye.
The girl can't friend for me.
No
and
girl.
The them come out and them have to go back in now.
When you go back to Jamaica, any girl that around them, she have to fall back in the hole when she come out.
Fall back in the hole.
Because when you come a management up in a place, you know.
Exactly.
Okay, now you want the man.
Exactly.
So them they just a play a room for rent to play within, but when you run in them better run out, don't it?
Exactly.
Okay, Papa, so you know if him go on with any little thing quietly?
Yeah, no.
You know? But you don't know.
Give me a little headache for a while, but...
But you don't know what...
You can't have no control over.
But you don't know who him do it with, though.
Don't know her.
You don't know her?
About her, but don't know her.
Okay.
Him saw once, but that was...
Him say one time and do it with her?
I know one time.
Okay.
She almost moving.
What? Then I read things that she have then this summer?
Yes, so she know have no water yard and every time she come at the man yard, go wash her left clothes like how she live.
Okay, I left clothes. Hey, when woman do that, I want to ship them and show, you know. Anytime woman I left them things a man yard, you know. Remember me tell her, say, me always tell him, well, Andy, don't come off my phone, I'm coming right back to you, hear?
Okay.
Okay, coming right back to you. Yeah, man, back to Carla. Yes, Carla.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, what me I say, man, you say anytime you have power with a woman, man, I always I tell my link them this. Anytime you have a woman, I do the things them. You see that day that she decide to leave something in your yard is a very significant moment. That is either you're going to cut off that woman or you continue ahead with her or make sure she knows that she can't leave nothing in your yard. Because if a woman leave things in her yard, a lock in the thing right there, so now you know.
That's true, Raga, because I heard so many things. And she know about me. It's not that she doesn't know about me. She know.
Mm-hmm.
So when she start leaving things, she's leaving things for me to come and find.
No, man, yes, man. Woman do that deliberately. That's a part of the way to get out the next woman. Them leave. And them tend to leave things where them know only the woman are going to find that, you know. You understand? So you will say if you catch your man pant up on next woman, you still not left him. You not left him.
I come to Jamaica all the while and him don't know when me come in.
Okay. And so but it sound like if you all come down there, you see all a woman around him, you don't want to beat off the woman, right? It sound to me like if you come down there, you see him with a woman, and you just come down and don't even make him know, and you see him a juggle with a woman. It sound to me like say you just beat off all a woman the right away. You not do that?
Yeah, I thought no girl put the man for me.
Okay, so you're not going to fight no woman?
No.
So if you come down here and you really see him with a woman itch up in a corner or something, what you do?
No, I got it up in a corner, girl know them place.
No, but Mr. Suppose you come and you see that, what would you do?
What would I do?
Yeah.
I would just leave.
Either just left him with the woman?
I just leave him with a woman. And can come talk to me when I'm ready.
Okay. You're not going to pressure the thing right there, sir?
No.
And when him come back, come talk to you, and you sort out and make him understand.
Exactly.
Okay.
And take the load up thing.
Okay. So when I ask you what is it about him, the first thing you say, is that the most important thing about him?
No.
No, but talk it truth, though. When you think about him, what do you think about? Every time you
think about him.
What the first two things coming out of your mind anytime you think about your man? Talk it truth. Be honest, God gotta listen to you. Master, gotta listen to you, you know. So when you are
listen to me. You love and respect what the man give me. The man rate me.
All right.
He rate me and the girl must know that my man rate me. I know say when she deal with him, must know say I just little sex and move on.
Okay, so she not to take up the residence and them sitting there.
Just take up the residence. Just give him the backers and go on.
Just give him the backers and cut. And so what else? What the second thing you think about him?
About him?
What the second thing where just when you think about your man? What the second thing will always come up in your head?
You know, I call him and tell him last night, I tell him to miss the good sex.
The good Sato.
Good Sato.
So him good like that.
Him good like that.
So,
I hear some the whole of them a come.
Okay. You feel that make them a run in?
That make them a run in. One friend I tell the other and the next one, everybody a come.
Okay, so you now Lego you're a good Sato, no?
No.
Okay.
Too much years to go my good sort out to one little girl.
So and after so many years, the sort out still shot?
Still. Fall in love with him every day.
Every day? But
every day.
Him always bring it correct, no?
Yes.
Mash up your meds and sitting, no?
Yes.
See it there? All right. And sort out is very important in a relationship?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Then you that there with a man who respect you, rate you, give you crazy money, love you, nah bun you, treat you nice, and everything, but him sort out not really good. You that there with him?
I don't there with him in a ragga, but him going to get born.
Oh. What you say, you don't keep a good man like that, but you have to get born because you have to get the good sort out.
Yes.
All right, then we just want to get little learnings on that point there. But anyway, blessings here.
All right, take care, Raga.
You take care of yourself to put us, and you go and defend your man, see him.
All right, cool.
Yeah, man, blessings. Yeah, man, she mix up the accent nice a while ago, man. Yeah, man. Now she said in and out with the accent. No one for do it, you know. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, what's up?
Hi, Raga.
What's up? Talk to me.
Hi. First thing I want to talk on Biggie topic. I think most of them call we are called about Biggie, them bad mind Biggie, because Biggie are called on the radio and get our fame, and everybody know about Biggie, so them jealous are. Secondly, the girl we call her talk about Biggie give her water, and she couldn't drink it. In the first place, if you know Biggie place dirty, why you ask for water? If me go a place and the place dirty, you not get me access to water.
No, I don't think she said she asked for water. You know. She said she was doing the year and she wanted a drink of water and decided not to take it.
Oh, okay.
Right, so it just never come up, and she never asked for it, and whatever.
Oh, well, I am not a friend of Biggie. I've never met her before, but I like her. I love listening to her. Whenever time she's on the radio, I have to laugh because I wear them shot. I wear them shot, man. Biggie have it locked.
Biggie just in her own space. Biggie is just this
Biggie
unique.
Nice, I'm a want to tell her, say she not to pay them no mind, just low them argument there.
So you rate things to Biggie,
I rate Biggie. Me no know her, and me want to meet her one of them day here.
No, you want to meet Biggie?
Yeah, man. I want to meet her because I like her.
Yeah. She has an interesting personality,
yes,
don't
man. Her words.
You know, like the one thing I admire about Biggie. Don't care what reach Biggie. No care when Biggie get done.
Aye.
Biggie still have a confidence there for
and
fire.
You can see Raga, you can see most of the color them with them where I call you can know say I make up things are for her. You can know.
Okay.
If you listen them good, you know say I make up things both. Okay. But Biggie must just not make them things they get tired down and allow them lose argument there and forget about them people there. Them are worry about she and she not worry about them.
See it there.
And so it go. More and get a little mix up, but my brother still know. My brother didn't call you one time about in nearby Elsha.
Yeah.
And now, yesterday him called me, say, him and some youth do some carpenter work down the road.
Yeah.
And him cook the food over him yard. And the dirty neighbor, lecturer, big lecturer, to my brother, a young youth, and him a big youth, and my brother place look good in a Raga.
Yeah.
Because him all say, see one flowers over my brother yard and I talk about my brother thief one flowers. Thief him flowers from over him yard. Say one flowers over there look like a film one. Anyway, my brother and him friend them run at the back eat lunch and go back to work. You know, say the teacher man have video camera, video my brother them run at the back of him yard.
Why am I do that?
We don't know why I do that. We don't know where that for. And me I fear tell my brother for easy himself because I trouble him want to get my brother in. I'm just jealous of my brother for know say I'm young and he might achieve certain things.
Hold on, this is a lecturer?
It's a lecturer, big teacher.
A lecturer?
Which
school him lecture?
I think at my course in Crossroad. Big lecturer. Load him up for me. For load my brother.
No, we can't load up that one. We can't load up that one.
Working youth. He my work for him here. I'm near enough.
Remember that mix up the long time, you know. Remember that mix up the long time.
Him not stop take set from the youth, Raga. Tell him to load him. Load my brother alone.
We don't really know the details, but you know, with this whole thing I went in my video, your brother. The question is, what your brother did I do when in my video?
They might cook food and eat, I have lunch run at the back, and they might eat and run them joke and attack and load and all of that. And him, one of the youth cite him a video them run at the back of the yard.
Well, that could be any of a number of things, you know.
Boy, we don't know. We just tell brother to low it and try to get
him could have want the video figure use, go give whatever. Him could have feel say your brother friend them are persons of.
No, more likely him feel say my brother in a drugs.
Yeah, something and like
my brother
that.
Having big house and him having nice vehicle. Because he must say them work the way my brother do can't give them.
Right, so in my video them figure probably show police now if you say or something like so if you know any of them people these are the people that he's cavorting with and so forth and all them things. I'm probably a freak and in love, man.
Most that I can't nothing else, Raga.
You see it?
If you love my brother, because Raga I know my brother at work. Family know my brother, him left school and at work. Run taxi, drive trailer, do everything. And me I tell her say I save and him go through the right channel for him house.
All right.
So him for love my brother alone and mind him own business.
All right, let's say a word. Your blessings.
Load up the dirty lecturer for me and tell him for love my brother.
All right, we can't really load up that one right now because we don't really have all the details. But we go and watch it and see what's going on. All
right.
Yeah, man, bless up. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, what's up?
Hello?
Yeah, man. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm just calling to pick up my... Hello, I'm not hearing you. You're breaking up.
Me, I break up.
Hold on. You're hearing me, right?
You have me on speakerphone?
No, I'm in a factory. That's why.
Okay, all right. No, man, we are here. You go on talking.
Yeah, I'm talking about Michelle. I like her.
You like Michelle?
Yeah, man, can I get her number? The other day when I was downtown, I saw her, but I was kind of, you know.
You were shy?
No, man, no. The security didn't want me to go over to say something to her.
You wanted to say something to her? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but you like her?
Yeah, I like her. Trust me. I like how she talks. She does, you know,
Vibes. Just sounds like your type of woman.
Yeah, man, trust me, she make my mouth run water, man.
She make your mouth run water.
Yeah, man. But I'm saying, can I leave my number in the ear and any females want to call
no,
me?
But here I know. We does there's some basic information with all due respect, you know, because we don't want she go talk to anybody, so just some little things I want to know, like, you know.
Yeah, man.
And I kind of have an idea.
Hold on. I can't hardly hear it.
Yeah. I just kind of have an idea of some of the things that she would want to know. First of all, how tall are you?
Well, I'm 5'7".
5'7". Okay. And are you employed?
Yeah, I'm working. Right now, I'm working. I'm hiding in the bathroom talking to you.
Oh, you're hiding in the bathroom talking to me?
Yeah,
okay.
I tell you the truth, my boss not the want me to talk to me. The other day, he come and get the radio and he drag it out and drop it on the floor and mash it up, man.
Okay. What is it?
Them hugging to, man.
I know enough of them don't like me and thing, but we don't pay them no mind. But enough people like me anyway. But what is it about you that Michelle would...
Well, trust me, I'm fun like her.
You're fun like her? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the type of person I love to laugh. I run jokes and,
Yeah.
I think she would like me.
I think she would like you. Okay.
Yeah, man.
How old are you?
Well, I'm 27.
You're 27, okay. All right.
Yeah, but not only Michelle, if any females out there hearing me, I want to get it.
Then all my look, me and I look at that woman. You just lose. You just lose.
But if Michelle is not interested, and a female who's interested can call.
Yeah, you're leaving your options open. There's nothing wrong with that. You're making it known that...
I know. Hold on. I know that Michelle have a man, so...
Oh, you know that Michelle has a man?
Yeah, come on. It's an in thing now, man. Come on.
But who is the man now? Who is the man?
I don't know, but I know that she must have some money.
Somebody like she must have a man?
Yes, man.
Okay. So you don't want to get her from that man? No, what I'm saying, if you're interested in her and you know she have a man, that means you want to take her from her man?
No, trust me, I remember spray that's take her. Trust me.
No, but you don't take her from her man?
Yeah, man.
You don't take her from...
I'm going to be honest.
You don't take her. Okay, all right then. So...
I'm the type of church guy to she a church girl.
Okay. So if you carry her up on her first date, where would you take her? Because she would want to go on a date. She'd want to go on a date to know you first, What would the first date be?
Well, you're bold with that one. Probably I like movies. I was going to the movies.
Movies, okay.
Yeah.
I can tell you a secret that you need to know.
Yeah.
All right. Are you listening?
Yes, man, I'm listening.
One word. Patties.
Shut up.
Patties.
She love money.
No, patties. Patty.
Patty, that's tasty.
Eh?
Like tasty patty. Juicy.
Mother's patty, or whoever, whichever one, Yeah, she loves patties. But don't carry her on a patty date first, She won't like if you carry her on a patty date. You have to carry her on a nicer date than that.
No. Oh, God.
But you see, after you carry her on a patty date, just conveniently walk past a patty store and buy her a dozen patties, and you probably will get a kiss right there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Can I leave my number on the air?
You want to leave your number on the air?
Yeah.
Okay, leave your number on the air because you want a woman.
Okay, my number is 593 6977.
593 6977. 593 6977. All right.
No man should call me though. I'm not a gay, so I don't want a man call me.
You're not a gay, so you don't want no man. With all due respect.
I don't know credit. I don't.
No, with all due respect, you shouldn't do that because you know what at me right now. You know what at me right now, though.
I heard my phone beeping now.
Yeah, no, but you just get, you're going to make a whole heap of gay man call you right now. All right, you know for angle gay man them. Angle them, yeah. What do you want? No, you can't say that word there. You can't say that word upon the radio.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. But I'm saying he dressed in pink blouse, pink skirt.
So who stab him up?
Like the man we are looking for him, but he never knows there's a man.
Oh, the one where them said it looked like a woman.
Yeah.
Him thought it was a woman.
Yeah, like the brother, the next guy, he thought it was a woman.
Okay. And when this happened, Friday, Ghana?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, because the other day we see him, trust me. If you are a man and you're a wild man and you're going to say, are you job for him? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying that if you're a man and you see him, you're going to call drink and you don't know if that's a man. You feel say that woman.
Right.
Trust.
But you see, we not want feature the killing, but at that we did not tell the one when him Barbie we are dressed up, say if he want safety, he must stop go around and deceive man. Not anyway. But we not feature the killing still and whatever, which we clearly cannot do on the radio and not allowed to do anything and so forth. But nonetheless, the killing thing, why, I don't know. But you can't, you can't go around. It's just a dangerous thing for you. You know, Master Richie? It's a dangerous thing for the particular in another country. You can't go around, use a man, you're just like woman, and make man approach and you relate to them like woman and deceive people them with it. Right? Some of the gay people them don't even like when you make them talk and whatever, because they must say violence is violence, but deceit is deceit, shock is shock. For your own safety. I just don't think that is something supposed, If you don't, put it this way, if you don't want dead, don't be a man, a dress up as woman and a trick man out there. It's simple. Give me a next call. For your own safety, man. That's what I say. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greeting.
Mr. Kingsley, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you, sir?
I am quite fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
I am calling to talk to you about uptown people now. You said something the other day about uptown people life is really boring, right?
Yeah,
or something regarding to that.
Bossy people.
Yes, bossy people, yeah, uptown people, yes, the same
No. It's not the same thing. You have a lot. You have a lot of down to earth people uptown. You have a lot of uptown people who listen to my show.
Mm-hmm.
When I use the term bossy people, I'm talking the elitist people who don't like me or don't like the show.
Okay, that's why I said the same thing, because what I'm referring to is the same thing.
Say that again.
What I'm referring to when I said the bossy people are uptown people.
Right.
I'm talking in the same category. The
right.
People who don't like and everything.
Yeah, the ones who don't like me and who cuss me out and who. All right, yeah. Talk about them. Yeah.
I'm an uptown girl, right?
Right.
Money, everything, car and everything, but I'm not happy.
Okay.
If you understand me.
Right.
And sometimes, work nice and money is good, but gets to when I come home, just you want and everything, born and everything. But I heard you talking the other day now about the washing machine and the phone, right?
The washing machine and what?
The phone.
I don't quite remember, but go on. Yeah.
And you said something about the fish, and you never really want to talk about it straight, right?
About the what?
Fish. Fish. I think it was Friday.
Oh, yes. Yes. No, I remember now. Yeah.
All right, yes, no. You see, we uptown people, we tend to try a few things, right?
Right.
But we know, I know about the washing machine and the phone, but trust me, give me a new idea, Raga. Thank you very much.
With what?
The fish.
But I did not explain what it is.
But I have an idea, I guess,
Darling, the way that was explained to me, you're going to really try that?
Yes, I think so.
Be careful of the scales, though. Be careful of the scales that will joke you, though, yeah?
I don't think I can put it up or something,
No, but I don't think you should. You probably don't understand what it was, because I did not say what it was. I was just talking about, and the man was actually of Asian descent. He's from uptown, but of Asian descent. And apparently it's something that he learned from his original country and brought it here. And I pride myself for knowing everything, most of what going out there. But that was one that just threw me for a loop. Because I never in a million years would I ever come up with that people do those things or whatever. When the woman.
Well, I'm going to try it, Raga. I'll tell you how it,
No, that's very risky, But let us leave your name and number with Ruth, and we will remain in touch with you.
Ragashanti, what I really calling about now is that a couple years ago, 4 years ago, and you know, I've been into this guy for a couple of years.
All right, listen now. We're going to take your name and number, and we promise you we're going to call you back first. You're going to be the first call tomorrow, yeah? Because because they're going to do the news. But we call you first thing tomorrow, yeah?
Okay, then.
All right, then. Cool.